On this new tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram cold refresh feed problem in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, guys, is very easy and simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, go to apps. Right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Just scroll until you find Instagram. When you find it, then you will have to do only one thing. Click on Instagram, go to this option here, click on it, go down to the permissions, and then enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back, click on the storage. This is an optional step that it can help you a lot, so please, if you don't want to do it, you cannot do it, but it's very important. It will just clear the data. Click on it, click on clear data and clear cache. Don't forget to like, subscribe.